Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be leading you through a very quick practice that is focused around the shoulders and the neck. You can find a comfortable seated position to start and maybe place one hand on your abdomen and the other on your upper chest. You can begin to facilitate deep abdominal breathing, imagining your breath moving down towards the hand on your abdomen as you breathe in, and relaxing that area as you breathe out. So the more you can encourage your breath to move down towards your abdomen as you breathe in, the less you're using the muscles around your shoulders and your neck for breathing. You can try a few rounds like that with your hands down by your sides or on your knees. So the next time that you breathe in, let's lift the left shoulder up towards the left ear. And as you exhale, very slowly relax the left shoulder down and the top of your head is straight up. Let's try that again. Inhale, pull your left shoulder up, squeezing around the neck. Exhale, like slow motion, relax your shoulder down. And a third time. Inhale, left shoulder rises up. Squeezing at the top, you can also tilt your head towards the shoulder and then exhale slowly, relax the shoulder down and your head is in alignment. Now we will move into some stretches and releases for the side of the neck by allowing first the head to tilt towards the right, and you can place your right hand on your right temple. Inhale and lean your chin back, and then exhale and tilt your chin towards your chest, back and forth a few times. Inhaling, tilting your head back. Exhaling, tilting your chin forward. You could try this without your hand as well. The hand is just there to relieve some of the weight if it's too much. And then bring your ear over your right shoulder. Inhale. Let's bring the right hand up and around onto your left ear and very gently apply some weight to the left ear and the side of your head with your hand. You can also tilt your head upwards here to stretch more through the front of your neck. You could also explore turning your head down, so turning your nose down towards your right underarm. Let's come back to the center. I'm going to place my right hand on the right side of my head and assist my head back up to the center. And let's release and move to the other side. Inhale, lift your right shoulder towards your right ear. And then very slowly relax the right shoulder down. We'll do this 3 times. So inhale, shoulder rises up. Exhale, slowly relax the right shoulder down. And a third time, slowly lift. Slow motion, releasing the right shoulder down. Once your right shoulder is completely relaxed, gently tilt your head over towards the left. You can take the left hand to the temple and then slowly begin to tilt your head forward and back. You can inhale and tilt your head backwards. Exhale, chin towards the chest. So your hand is there just to relieve a little bit of the weight of your head here. You can also do this without your hand though. With your ear aligned over the shoulder, you can inhale and lift your left hand up towards the side of your head on top of your right ear and very gently applying some weight or some pressure with your hand. So stretching directly down the side of your neck. You can also explore tilting the head upwards slightly. And you can also explore turning your nose down, moving the stretch towards the back of your neck. Let's come back to the center, turning your face forward. You can assist your head up to the center using your left palm, and then releasing your left hand down. Moving towards a chest and shoulder stretch now, you can inhale and lift your left arm straight up, reaching high, and then exhale, give yourself a pat on your upper back With your left hand, you can take your right hand to your left elbow and just assist it a little bit closer towards the side of your head and backwards. So here you may feel the stretch down the underside of your left arm or down your waist. If you'd like, you can reach out with the right arm towards the right and turn your palm down and rotate at the shoulder. From there, you could take your arm behind you, and then you could explore bending that arm. That right hand would start to move up your back. Focus on easing both elbows backwards, keeping your spine long. One more breath in here. As you exhale, if you have that right hand behind you, let's release it, reaching it forward and across towards the left. You can also release your left arm and take it on top of that one. You can bend at the elbows now and wrap your forearms together, or just take the backs of the palms together into eagle pose. Inhale, lift your chest towards the ceiling, and then exhale, round through your back somewhat. Taking a pause in the center, pressing your elbows forward. Inhale, release, sweep your arms all the way up. And exhale, release down. As you're ready, let's inhale, reach the right arm straight up. Exhale, give yourself a pat on the back with that hand. You can take the left hand up to the elbow, just keeping it close towards the face and slightly easing it back. You're welcome to move towards the full bind, which is reaching out with the left arm, rotating the shoulder in. Take your arm behind you and slowly start the process of bending at the elbow without forcing. Take one more breath in. And then exhale, you can release that left arm, taking it in front of you to the right. Release your top arm and take it on top of that one. You can bend at the elbows, taking the backs of the hands together or wrapping the forearms up more into eagle arms. Exhale and round slightly through your upper back, and then inhale and lift up through the upper back. Taking a pause in the middle. You can inhale, release the arms high, maybe palms together. You can release your hands down onto your lap, onto your knees, or again connected to the areas you might feel breathing. Let's take a few more moments of pause here, really focusing primarily on the breath and the muscles you are using to breathe. Thank you for practicing with me today, and I will see you in our next practice.